Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa. I'm a 45-year-old empty nester living in the Northern Virginia area. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for stopping back by. I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you my weekly Walmart grocery haul, and this is for the week of June the 5th. My total spent I will have in the description box below. I don't have the total handy, but I'll break down my household versus my food cost, and at the end of the video, if you want to stay tuned, I'll insert a clip of the Walmart grocery app so that you guys can get an idea of the prices in my area. Okay, let's start here in the front. I have a 12-pack of black cherry clear American water. There's no sugar, no calories, no caffeine, no sodium. I get at least a 12-pack of this almost every week. Black cherry, I think, is probably my favorite flavor that they carry. So I've got this. I'm going to set this aside to get it out of my way. All right, next I've got a couple household items. I've got some paper plates. There's 100 of them. I am in a basement apartment in somebody's home. It's kind of like a studio apartment. I do not have a dishwasher. I have a very, very small sink that is a little bit bigger than my hand. Doing dishes is just a nightmare, so I get paper plates to save myself some aggravation. These will last me a while. Same things with the paper bowls, 70 of them. Again, just a convenience item. I've got 3 bags of frozen Brussels sprouts. This is just to have as a side with some of my meals. I grabbed some frozen chicken breast. This is fully cooked. Pop it in the microwave, done. Again, convenience food. Something I don't usually buy, but I am going to make. Let me scooch over here. I grabbed some pesto. I have a lot of pasta left in my pantry, and so I'm going to do a chicken pesto pasta, and so that's why I got this, because I don't have a grill and I don't have an oven. It's just easier this way, so that's what that's for. And then for snacking, I grabbed some baby cut carrots, some brown rice to have on hand. I'm almost out and I eat rice quite a bit as a side. 2 1-pound little tubes of lean ground beef. This is going to be for spaghetti. Again, pasta dish, trying to eat through what I have. I'll use 1 pound of lean ground beef in with a jar of Prego pasta. So just jarred, easy, quick pasta sauce. So add this. I will add half of a can of Rotel, and then 1 can of tomato paste. So I've got 2 pounds for 2 jars that I have, and then 1 of these tomato pastes for each jar. So I got 2 of those, and then I'll just have to split this in half. Mashed potatoes, just to have on hand. I had bought potatoes, I don't know, a couple times over the last few months, and they always go bad. I can never get through all of them. So I grabbed this box. It's very small. It's only 9 ounces. I think it's 12 servings of mashed potatoes that are instant, just to have on hand. I love potatoes, but I can't eat through an entire 3-pound bag unless I plan on having nothing but potatoes all week. So that's just to have on hand. And then for my coffee, some sugar-free vanilla creamer. This is just the Great Value Walmart brand. All right, Pinto Beans. So I love Pinto Beans. I got 4 cans, and I usually keep these on hand because I will take a can of Pinto Beans, put it into a container, and then I'll add liquid aminos, which is kind of like a soy sauce alternative, and some sriracha, and that's a meal. So this is like 4 meals for me. And then I've got 3 cans of corn. This is the no salt added. They just didn't have any other options at my Walmart. That was all they had, and that's just to have as a side and to have on hand. 3 pounds of Gala apples for snacking. And to go along with those apples, I grabbed some 100% peanut butter. The only ingredient in this is peanuts, which is really great. And then last, I've got some Mrs. Dash Table Blend salt-free spices. I love this. I put this on almost everything. So that is everything that I got from Walmart this week. I have a few things left in my pantry that I really need to get through. Breakfast will be oatmeal still. I feel like I'm going to be eating oatmeal forever, but it's okay. I have a huge container I'm working through, and I also have for breakfast, I have Vega, which is a vegan brand of shakes. I've got a coffee flavor, and then I also have vanilla, so I have that still. And then I have a lot left over from last week. I got a bunch of ground turkey. I think it was like a 3-pound container of it. I have a lot of that left, so I'm going to be using that this week as well. So I have a lot of meal options. This doesn't look like a lot of food, but remember, I'm by myself. My kids are grown. They do not live with me, and so this is enough for one person for an entire week and then some. I'm going to try to ring all this up on the grocery app so you guys can see how much each of these items is going to run in my area. Sometimes I do this, and if an item is out of stock, it won't let me add it, but I will try to get all of this on the app so that you guys can see those prices. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what is your meal plan for this week. Give me some inspiration. Send me recipes. I get so bored eating the same thing all the time. I always leave my email address linked down in the description box, but it is lisasdebtfreejourney@gmail.com. Send me an email. Send me some recipes. I would really appreciate it. Let me know what your meal plan is. Give me some inspiration for next week, because now that my pantry is pretty much going to be empty. I need some ideas, some new things to eat, so I really appreciate that. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.